drive made for Sunday. Boarding bad and dream just a stone's throw from the bay. Metal roof shining like a blue angels fly by. That coastal charm you can't fake if you try.
So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama. Well, today we are going to walk you through one of our new closings for some buyers that are moving here full time to live here. We got them an awesome deal on this property. We are in one of the most popular neighborhoods in Orange Beach, and if you stick around you will definitely learn why this is such a popular neighborhood. We are going to walk through a 3-bedroom 2.5 bath Gold Fortified home built in 2017. It's 2,186 square feet, lots of updates and finishes, nice finishes on the inside, 9-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings, tile plank flooring throughout. Beautiful home. Orange Beach is such a popular place to live, and you know, it's really challenging to get anything in this price point in Orange Beach, but we picked this up for them for $595,000. Super excited for them. Wait till you see everything that's around here. You are going to be very surprised at what this gets you in terms of amenities and location, so come check it out with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and surrounding area. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here, vacation here, and own property here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we do absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we're going to walk through this beautiful home. Property taxes are $1,132. Beautiful home, plantation shutters. Wait till you see the inside, and you're definitely going to want to stick around because I am going to show you some really awesome amenities that come with this subdivision and show you why this location is so special. Come check it out with us. All right, we have a small but nice entryway. As you come in, you've got quite a nice open layout here. Absolutely love these kitchen cabinets. Would love to have all that additional storage going all the way up to the top. You definitely do not see that typically in this size or price range of home. That is typically going to be in a really expensive custom home that you're going to see that. So you've got your breakfast light there where you've got place for your kitchen table, dining room table, and chairs. And then you've got a nice floor plug here. Love that. Love this fireplace. Obviously, great place to put the TV over the fireplace. And then I love that it's framed with the 2 windows. It really aesthetically looks very nice. And then the wainscoting, love that. You got a nice tray ceiling here. I also love the bar area, the wet bar with the ice maker, the extra sink, extra storage. Love that. And we want to take a look at this walk-in pantry. Who wouldn't want to have this much storage in their pantry? Goes all the way around. Love that. And conveniently, we have a half bath off the living room. So really nice to have. Also off the garage, you can just come right on inside, hang your coat, put your shoes. I guess here it's more like hang your towel. Some additional storage. So really nice to have that there. That is a 2-car garage. Currently, the owner and my handyman are in the attic together. They are checking something out on the inspection report. And we'll come down this hallway, and we are going to go check out the primary bedroom first, but yet more storage. Gotta love having closet space. Nice size primary bedroom, tray ceilings, beautiful natural light coming in, that nice large double window, and beautiful plantation shutters. We'll come into the primary. We'll come into the bathroom now. And got a nice stand-up shower here with not 1, not 2, but 3 shower heads. Gotta love that. Nice big, and then jetted tub. And 2 separate vanities. Private toilet area. And nice walk-in closet. Love the built-ins. Really is a nice space. The video doesn't quite do it justice. It is pretty good size in here. Just a great size bathroom all the way around.
It's a second chance, a backyard breeze and a jetted tub. Lazy river float with a cold drink of love. You got palm trees swaying in the evening light. Wharf lights glowing.
Let's go check out the guest wing. I believe these 2 bedrooms are identical in size. They appear to be. Standard closets there. Shared bathroom, but nice dual vanity. Love that. Lots of storage underneath. And then you got a nice tub with tile surround.
Jetted tub unwind, that's Gulf Coast living, and it's yours and mine. Concrete patio, steaks on the flame, barbecue dreams when the neighbors came. Good times don't need a downtown plan, just stars above and some old time jams. It's a backyard breeze and a jetted tub.
Nothing special about the size of these rooms, but with the 10-foot ceilings, they really do feel nice and spacious. So only area that the house has carpet is those 2 bedrooms. And then the primary closet had carpet. So nice washer and dryer here. And then you got enough room behind here for other things. Put your brooms and whatnot on the wall. Hang on the wall, I should say. We'll go check out the backyard. Got a nice gas line coming out for a gas grill. You don't see that typically. And decent size backyard, especially for this neighborhood. The lots in this neighborhood are pretty small. And if you have heard me talk about properties, homes in Orange Beach, you know that it is not really very easy to get a large yard in Orange Beach. Land is definitely very expensive in Orange Beach, so don't typically get a big yard or a big lot here. I like the wood ceiling. So you got some nice shade back here.
Pulled up slow on a drive made for Sunday. Boarding Baton Dream, just a stone's throw from the bay. Metal roof shining like a blue angel's flyby. high. That coastal charm you can't fake if you try. 3 beds, 2.5 bath kind of life. Tray ceilings up high, yeah, we do it right. Gas fires lit when the beach breeze chills, and a wet bar waiting when you're getting that feel. Got white cabinets and granite that pops, ice in the maker and room for a lot. She's built for a party or a porch swing slow dance. Yeah, this ain't just a house, it's a second chance. A backyard breeze and a jetted tub, lazy river float with a cold drink of love. You got palm trees swaying in the evening light, wharf lights glowing just a mile from the night. It's a slow down soul, Orange Beach kind of place where the sunrise hits just right on your face. Yeah, paradise ain't just a postcard tease, it's a front porch smile and a backyard breeze. Hard LVP floors, they don't mind the sand when you come home barefoot from the ocean strand. Kids crashing waves, dogs running the yard. Fence keeps them close, but they're still running hard. Primary suite like a 5-star stay. Double vanity set to wash the day away. Separate shower, jetted tub unwind. That's Gulf Coast living and it's yours and mine. Concrete patio, steaks on the flame. Barbecue dreams when the neighbors came. Good times don't need a downtown plan, just stars above and some old time jams. It's a backyard breeze and a jetted tub, lazy river float with a cold drink of love. You got palm trees swaying.
All right, guys, really hope you enjoyed this video. Give us some feedback on the content that we're providing to you guys. Give us a thumbs up on the video if you like the content. If there's something else you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Is there something about this house that you loved? Are you just as thrilled as we are about picking this property up for our clients for $595,000? Shoot us a comment. Let us know. We definitely want to be giving you relevant content that you want to see and hear and learn about as it pertains to our beach life. As you can tell, there's so many extras that come with this location. As you saw, you got the Orange Beach Middle and High School directly across the street. They are spending millions of dollars to put in a brand new sports complex right there for the school, new football field, training facilities, practice facilities. They are doing a state-of-the-art, absolutely to die for job. People are going to continue to come to Gulf Shores and Orange Beach for our wonderful quality of living, our awesome schools. Both Orange Beach and Gulf Shores are city school systems. There's a ton of pride put into the Orange Beach city school system, and that's not even everything. As you saw, amazing pool for this subdivision. I mean, a lazy river, just absolutely gorgeous pool, great place to hang out, great place to meet your neighbors, a great place to take the family. Even more so, you've got the Orange Beach Fire Department across the street. You have the Wharf just a couple blocks away. You've got a couple fast food restaurants right here adjacent to us. So a lot of convenience for this particular location that make it special. And we hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get footfalls in your shades that hit the sand, where the Gulf breeze blows. It's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh, it feels so right. From sunrise